One-time tales.
Once upon a time, there was a bunny. Bunny says hello. But it's too cold outside right now, so Bunny goes back to his hole. Good night, Mr. Bunny. And now it's time for the honesty chair.
Let me be honest with you. Nighttime is dark, so let's shed some light with some questions and answers. So, our first question is, who does all the editing? Well, that'd be me. My sister does all the animation. Our next question is, why does Nikki laugh at all her own jokes?
Because nobody else will.
Hey!
Alright, so our next question is, are you twins?
No. If you have any questions or comments for us, let us know, and we'll answer them next time in the Honesty Chair. Let me be honest with you. I don't know what else to say, so let's move on. Let's go.
And this has been a moment in the honesty chair.
I'm bored, see? Oh, hello, Lady Pigeon.
Oh no, not this guy again.
Why don't you and I go on a date?
No thanks, not interested.
No, don't go. I know a place to get bagels.
Nah,
What? Wait.
just go away.
What if we look for French fries instead? Or a nice wedding rice? Or
Why me?
we don't even need to find food. We could just fly around and...
Hey, I'm napping here.
Oh, sorry about that. Didn't mean to. Oh, hey, wait up. Listen, you're a lady pigeon.
Oh, figured that out yourself.
And I'm a guy pigeon.
Oh, really? Thought
But
you were a pig.
We're both pigeons.
Thank you, Captain
So,
Obvious.
why don't we be pigeons together?
I'd rather date a fish.
What? Don't say that. Here, look at my plumage.
I'd rather not.
No, don't run away. Look, it's beautiful.
Don't care.
See?
I really need to go now.
No, look.
This is me, leaving.
Please, I'm begging you. I'm parading for you. I'm falling behind you.
Take a hint.
Okay. Listen,
No! Leave me alone! You're bugging me.
Hold on a minute. What do you mean I'm bugging you?
You're bugging
I'm
me.
just asking you out. This is how it works, right?
How
I
what?
show you my pretty plumage, then you're supposed to be impressed and agree to go out with me.
How
But
vain.
it just looks like you're trying to run away.
Listen, I am not interested or impressed.
You're not?
Nope.
Okay, fine. I'll go find another lady pigeon who'll love my gorgeous plumage.
Good luck with that. Now for that bagel.
That's right. I'll go find another lady pigeon. I'll do my dance and cooing and she'll fall right for me. And then if this lady pigeon realizes her mistake, it'll be too late. Ha! That's right. I'll have a better lady pigeon. And she'll be a boo-hoo. Yup. I miss her already. I'm so lonely.